Welcome back. We're up to lesson 3, how was DNA discovered? And we know what we would all do if we were in Mary's situation right now. We would run home and get on the computer and start trying to learn everything we could about hemochromatosis. So in lesson 3, instead of learning all we can about hemochromatosis, students will use the internet and Hudson Alpha's Progress of Science timeline to learn about what kind of discoveries led up to the very important discovery of Watson and Crick when they discovered the structure of DNA. While it may be tempting to use this as just an internet search, please encourage students to pay attention to this third part of their worksheet where they're asked, well, let's go back. They're first asked, what were these discoveries made at this time by these people? But in this column, they're asked to think about how that was an important foundation for the work of Watson and Crick. Students may want to go ahead and fill out all of the whats before they get to this important highlighted column. And they may want to work together to come up with thoughtful answers for that. And that's a much more challenging column than this column here, which is simply looking something up and filling it in. And then students are asked to work backwards. They're asked to select an event from the timeline that's occurred in the last 10 years and then think back to how the work of Watson and Crick was an important foundation for that event. And so they won't be choosing random events. The summary questions here are interesting, and while this lesson is on the surface seemingly simple, while it is very, very straightforward, it is far from simple for students to think critically about how these cause and effect situations work together. Of course, you'll need working internet for this lesson, and students can work together or however best suits your classroom. We hope you thoroughly enjoy lesson 3 and find other uses for that timeline as well as in this lesson. Thanks for watching.